Today we're making a no-bake dessert that is light and perfect for coffee lovers. It's a coffee chocolate mousse that's rich, creamy, and packed with bold coffee and chocolate flavor. Start by adding 1.5 cups of vegan whipping cream to a large mixing bowl. If you prefer an even smoother and richer mousse, you can substitute it with dairy whipping cream. Next, add 50 grams of caster sugar, 1/4 cups of cocoa powder, and 40 grams of melted chocolate that had been melted with 1 tablespoon of milk. Make sure the melted chocolate has cooled down before adding it to the whipped cream. If it's too hot, it can cause the cream to split, which happened in our case. In a separate bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of caster sugar, 3 tablespoons of instant coffee, and 3 tablespoons of hot water. Using a hand mixer, whisk until the mixture becomes pale, thick, and frothy, similar to Dalgona coffee. To assemble the dessert, smooth or pipe the chocolate mousse into your serving glasses until they're about 3/4 full. Carefully top each one with a layer of the whipped coffee mixture. Finish by sprinkling grated chocolate or chocolate shavings over the top for an elegant finishing touch. And there you have it, a rich and creamy coffee chocolate mousse that's layered with fluffy whipped coffee for the ultimate cafe-style dessert. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy desserts, and let me know your favorite coffee-inspired treat in the comments down below.